I'm like really low.
The steamrollers are at a disadvantage. They've been reduced to a single contestant.
I'm being healed.
This will burn. Entrance of steel by the steamrollers.
That could be a game changer.
That feels good. Oh, 3K. Oh my goodness, look at the kill
A
speed.
wipeout and a setback for the tough shells.
They've been thoroughly tenderized by this experience.
It's
got it?
in! The steamrollers make a bold
Oh, crap,
statement
what's
with the
happening?
first cash out of the
Crap.
match.
I thought we got it. Aren't we at the top?
The tough shells have patched up the cracks in their armor and are back in business.
Dude, did you see that freaking? I want to clip that.